In this video, we are going to continue the extrude command. Before we continue with the extrude command, I would prefer to please watch the video on extrude part 1 so that you can have the alignment with this tutorial, and I will attach the link of the extrude part 1 so that you can directly jump to that video. Now, let's come to this video. In this video, we are going to cover the three options of extrude command, which are basically Boolean operations, draft, and open profile smart volume. So let's start. First, we have to go to the extrude command, and we have already discussed the options of the limits, like what is covered in the start and end in the extrude part 1. You can directly reach to that particular video through the I button, which is extrude part 1. Now let's select the curve. I'm going to select this curve only. Just click on this. Now I'm going to select this curve, and here I'm going to give the value as 50 with the reverse direction like this. And in this, we have several Boolean operations. Currently, we have selected the intersect, but first we are going to discuss about the subtract. Now, let's understand what is subtract. Subtract means it is going to subtract the new generated body from the previous body, or you can say as from the old body. Now, let's understand through the demonstration. Just click on show result. Now, you can see this has subtracted the old body in reference to the new body. So this is how subtract works. Now just click on OK. Now let's understand what is unite. For that, just again go to the extrude command. And here in this case, I'm going to just reset the command for once. Now I'm going to select this curve, which is this smaller one, only the smaller one. I'm going to deselect this, just make the single curve here. And now select this curve only. In this case, I am going to give it as unite and click on show result. Now you can see this is a single body. If I just click on undo result and make it none, and now click on show result, now you can see this is separate body and this is separate. So this is how we can use the unite option in the Boolean operation. Now just click on OK. Now we have left with one option, which is intersect. Now what do you mean by intersect? Intersect means it is going to have the common part of two new bodies. Like this is the one body, this is one body. Now if I just use the extrude command on the same face, like on this face, and I'm going to make a circle over here like this and click on finish. Just reverse the direction. And in this case, I'm going to use the intersect option, like intersect. Now, if I just click on show result, it will display me the body, which is the common between both the bodies. So this is how we can use the intersect. First, we have discussed about subtract, which is this one. Just undo the result. Now, first we have discussed about the subtract, which is this one. To create the hole or to create the cutout, we use the subtract. Later, we have discussed the unite option. This option is basically used in CAD softwares so that the newly generated body could be united with the old one. And at last, we have discussed about the intersect option. The intersect option is basically used where our intention is related to the common part of both the bodies. So in this way, we have covered all the three options related to the Boolean. Now let's understand what is draft. So for that, I'm just going to delete both these newly generated bodies. Now let's understand about the draft. Just click on this and add it to rollback. Now you can see we have selected the options as value. This is going to be as value and this is going to be as 50. Now in the draft, we have several options like from start limit. If we want to give the taper to the edges like this. So this is how we can offer the draft. And this is from the start limit. In case we want from the section, from section means it is similar to this as the section starts from here. So I'm going to give the value here like something 20 or give it as minus 20. So the reference for the draft is going to be from the section like from this. So in this way, we can have the draft. Now you can see this is impacting from the very bottom also. So in this way, we can give the draft. Now here we have the option as asymmetric, like we can offer the asymmetric angles. This is the first angle and this is the second angle we are talking about. So in this way, we can give the different angles to both the parts. Like first part is the upwards and second part is the downwards. However, this is a singular body. I'm just saying, I'm just using the words as part to differentiate, like this is the upward part and this is the downward part to the section. Now we have the symmetric, like in both the parts, this is going to be single angle. Single angle means 20 degree up in the upward direction, 20 in the downwards. And at last we have the matched end. That means if we draw a line from this point, this is going to be get matched with the with this is going to be get matched with the this point. So this is how we can use the draft option. Later on, at the very last of this tutorial, I am going to reveal the secret of very special option which is in the extrude command. So please be focused in this video. Now I'm just going to hide this and going to hide all these curves. Now let's understand the advanced option in Extrude. As in the Extrude part 1, I have mentioned clearly that if you want to generate the solid, so it is important to have the closed profiles. However, in this option, we are not going to use the closed profile. In this case, I am going to create the solid body with the open profile. Now just go to the extrude command, and here I'm going to just reset this command for once. And this is the very special option which Siemens NX has introduced into the command, which is open profile smart volume. I'm just going to click on this, and here I'm going to select the curve, which is this one. And you can see this curve is open. This is not closed. Now in this case, be sure that the Boolean operation is going to be unite. So I'm going to give it as unite, and if I just drag this in the upward direction, you can see there is a generation of the solid. Now just click on OK. So in this way, you can create the volume or solid body from open profile using the open profile smart volume option in the extrude command. I hope you have enjoyed the learnings of Extrude part 2. For more such tricks, stay tuned with me, and please do like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.